Wagwan Raw Fam.
Hi, Raw Fam.
Welcome to another Rawsome recipe. I'm Stacia Alicia, aka Raw Boss, and I'm with the in-house raw chef Kadeen,
the Fruit Bee Queen. Yes.
So today Kadeen will be showing us how to make the cabbage and seaweed. She calls it cabbage tish.
Cabbage and tish. You know, like cabbage and ish. You know, that's some of the
you know, like when I say
salt.
Fish, so the vegan one, she call it tish.
So cabbage and tish.
So it's actually cabbage and seaweed because you know seaweed have the flavor of the sea, which is salty.
We're going to do our next recipe, right? So we're going to use nori, which is seaweed. We're just going to have this, and it's some simple ingredients. Nori, and we have cabbage. We have the white cabbage, and we have red cabbage. People call it purple cabbage. It is purple, not red. Yes. So nori, and then we're going to add some ripened sweet peppers, some scallion. You call it green onion. And some coconut oil and a little bit of black salt. Cool? So let's get into it. So what we're going to do is to cut up our nori. You have to do it as small as possible. So we're just going to cut, slice it up. Yeah. Or you can just break it up. You know me that try be look nice a while ago. But you can break up the nori, and we're just going to put this in the cabbage. So we're just going to break it up in there. Look how easy that be. We're just going to tear it out. This one, yeah. Here we go. We're going to try to be cute and not cut it up, not true? Never work. All right. So as small as possible, just tearing this up as small as you can get it in there. And this is a quick dish, easy. You know, no need. This is real food. No need to kill up yourself. Huh? Nice little salad, right? All right, we'll just get the excess off here. We're not wasting anything. Put this one side, and we have here. Now we're going in, and we're going in with some sweet pepper. You don't have to cut it up. So small. If you like sweet peppers nice and big in your food, that's up to you. But I like to get the hint of the flavor. All right. In, and then we already have our scallion cut up, but I think I want it a little bit finer, you know, easier on the mouth. Just like so very small. Okay. So here we have it. Then we're going to put our oil in it. That's our fat. You can put coconut milk or coconut cream, because really you want the fat to carry this together and to actually tenderize your cabbage. You know, sometimes eating vegetables is so hard, so the fat kind of tenderizes your vegetables. Right, so we're going to go in with a little bit of black salt and a little bit of coconut oil. No, like a tablespoon. That's a tablespoon? Yes, like a tablespoon. And we want just a pinch of salt. Salt. And then we're just going to put this together. If you find that you want more stuff in there, a little bit more oil, a little bit more seaweed, a little bit more nori, you can go ahead. This is just putting it all together. Already it is being marinated, tenderizing, yeah? Oh my God, this smells good. All we have to do is just massage that. Look at that. As if it was steaming, as if it was cooking. Look at that. Huh? I'm a magician. All right. And can you believe that your salad or your cabbage and seaweed salad is ready? Quite ready. I don't hear no footsteps. I don't know if it's because of vegetables. Some people not really pure vegetables. Some people not really into it.
I'm here.
So we're going to have her taste this.
They not need that. No, it's good, it's good.
Alright, so Stacia was asking for nut meat. You can pair it with your nut meat. You can have it in a wrap, you can have it in a plantain wrap, you can have it in your sushi. Anything you want to have it with, you can have it by itself. Right? So you can pair it. No confinement. You're not, you know, you don't have to.
Yeah, man. There's no set way to have it.
Right.
Does anybody in the audience want to try this? No? Come, Karen, want to try. Come down.
Alright, it smells good. That much I can say from before you even taste it. You can smell the seasoning.
Here you go.
Tastes good. Cabbage by itself. Really nice. Soft, because the cabbage is soft and tender like it was cooked. Really nice. And the oil with that.
Yes. Tenderize it.
I like it.
A little bit.
Just a little bit. You don't need much.
You don't want it too oily, so
Right.
it's good.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're in Jamaica, you want to head over to Fruit Blossoms, shop 28, Portmore Pines Plaza.
Yep.
Right? And anything that you see that you want to taste, just shout out Kadeen and say, Kadeen, I saw the cabbage and seaweed recipe and I want you to prepare it for me right now. Kadeen will oblige.
Or you can call ahead.
Yes.
You can call ahead.
Call ahead.
Yeah,
So
call
I
ahead.
leave her telephone number. I just told my age a while ago.
Oh gosh.
I leave her number in the description and also the address for Fruit Blossoms. Again, thank you for watching and watch another video. There are 2 videos on the screen right now. Just choose one and watch another rawsome recipe. Raw fam, in-house and out of house. Walk good.